Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to understand Notion application. Let's start. Pages are on the left side of Notion. There are private pages and public pages. We can create new pages from scratch or from templates. To create new page from scratch, click on Add a Page icon. A new page has appeared on the left. Let's name it, for example, Task Tracker. Add an icon. Okay, you can see the changes in the page list. Next, you need to choose the format in which the information will be placed on the page. You can create an empty page and write, for example, task 1, task 2. In this case, your page looks like a Google Doc, but for a task tracker, this is unproductive. We can delete this text, press the slash, and select the format of our information. For example, it will be a table view. Table view is a database. Select New Database, rename it as Tasks, and now we have the Tasks database inside the Task Tracker page. This kind of information is similar to Google Sheets. In Notion, all types of information can be placed in one page. For example, we can add the text to this page. For example, description about task tracker. AI is writing. Okay, done. Let's fill in the table data, task 1 and task 2. Text, for example, home and work. Now we can create the new page, add a page, name it as dashboard. Next, press slash, select table view, and now choose our task tracker database. Find tasks database from task tracker. Here it is, and we have the tasks table at the dashboard. We can edit the view of this table. Click on dots, select layout, and choose the board view. Now our database looks like a view in Trello. It's a Kanban board. Go to the table view, add the new column, and select the status type. OK, then return to dashboard. Let's add the icon for dashboard. We can select any icon, and after that click on menu of this board view, select group and choose group by status. Return and choose shown properties. Show tags, and you will see task 1 with home tag and task 2 with work tag in non-started status. We can replace this task to progress and replace this task to done. Let's see what has changed in table view. Open the tasks, and you can see that the status of our tasks in the table view has also changed. Let's change the status for empty task, change to in progress, return to dashboard, and you will see the untitled task in progress column. If you find it difficult to create such databases from scratch, you can use ready-made free templates that can be found for every taste without leaving Notion. To do this, click on Templates. We immediately see the template with tasks which we made from scratch. Click on Get Template and select the public or private section. Add to private, for example, and you will see this tasks template in private section. This is one tasks database with different views. Right-click on any view and you can duplicate this view. After that, we can rename it as High, enter, and filter priority column as a high. And in this high view, you will see only tasks with high priority. Let's see what other templates are available. Click on Templates, select this section, for example, Personal. You can search templates by keywords, or you can scroll these templates. I want to use habit tracker, template. You can check this first, and if the template suits you, get the template. Add to private, and we have the habit tracker template in our private section. We can move it up. We can also add it to favorites. Click on three dots next to the page and select Add to Favorites. Let's add the dashboard to favorites. Add to favorites, and you will see favorites pages here. To add habit tracker to dashboard, let's open this page, and you will see that it's a habits database. Here it is. Open the dashboard, press the slash, write gallery, select gallery view, and choose habits database from habit tracker page. Here it is. We have a habit tracker in dashboard, but it is in table view. We know how to fix it. Click three dots, select layout, and choose the gallery view. Let's sort it by created time descending and filter it. Created time is relative to today this week. Okay, this is empty because we didn't specify which properties to display. Let's fix it. Three dots, next properties, and you can add all properties except created time. You will see all habits which we can check, and let's get rid of the empty space in the gallery. Let's open the settings for this view again. Next, select the layout. Card preview is none, and card size is small. That's good. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. See you next time.